This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Supercell ID in Clash Royale. First, launch the Clash Royale app on your device. Once the game loads, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. Look for the Supercell ID button and tap it. If you don't have one, choose Register Now to start the simple creation process. This will link your game progress securely. Next, you'll need to enter an active email address. Make sure it's one you can easily access, as Supercell will send a verification code there. After entering your email, check your inbox for a message containing a 6-digit code. This code is essential for confirming your identity and securing your account. Carefully type this code into the game to proceed to the next step. Once the verification code is accepted, you'll have the option to create a display name for your Supercell ID. This name will be visible to friends and in some game contexts. After setting a name, or if you choose to skip it, simply confirm your registration. Congratulations! Your Supercell ID is now successfully created and linked to your Clash Royale account, ensuring your progress is always saved. With your Supercell ID, you can easily transfer your Clash Royale progress between different devices, like a phone and a tablet. It also allows you to connect with friends across various Supercell games and manage all your accounts from one central hub. Most importantly, your game data is now securely backed up in the cloud, protecting your hard-earned progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.